How I found freedom from restrictive mindsets when it comes to a raw vegan diet. Welcome back for another video to recalibrate with Nate. And in this video, I want to give you a couple tips that really helped me when overcoming the concepts of restricting myself when eating a raw vegan diet. The first thing is, when adopting the raw vegan diet, for me personally, I had to ask myself, why do I even want to eat this raw vegan diet? Why do I want to eat this way? And once I found that out, once I came to realization of what I was going for, which was I wanted to optimize my life. So right there, instead of restricting myself from certain foods that I could choose to eat anytime I want, I want to optimize my health and well-being. So right there was the very first move. I changed the word restriction to optimization. So instead of restricting myself from certain calories, certain foods, I'm just asking myself, is this going to be optimal? And if the answer was no, I would choose not to eat it. So right there, just changing that word really helped me. I'm not restricting myself from anything. I'm just optimizing what I'm choosing to put in. So that right there it kind of like segues into the next thing, which is freedom of choice. I have the freedom to choose whatever I would like to eat. I'm not restricting myself from anything. I have the choice to choose whatever I would like to eat. So am I going to restrict myself from something? Not necessarily, because I can choose to eat that. So, but I ask myself that question again, is this optimal? Probably not optimal, and I'm choosing not to eat it. So those right there were super huge for me in changing my mindset and not getting in this mindset of, oh, I need to restrict myself. I cannot have that. I cannot have that or that. I need to watch my calories. I need to restrict my calories and only eat this many calories. Instead, just changing that word from restriction to optimization just really made me feel so much more free when eating a raw vegan diet. So I hope that helps you. Quick little video here for you. I hope you enjoy that. Just try that right there alone. Just change your vocabulary. You're optimizing your calories. You're not restricting your calories. It's just calorie optimization. And also knowing that you have the freedom to choose to eat whatever you want, whenever you want. That right there will help you as well. It's just asking yourself why. Why do you want to eat this way? For me personally, I want to live a beautiful life, feeling good, having energy to go play, vital, good energy. And of course, to do that, I have to study nutrition. I have to optimize what I'm putting in. I don't need to restrict myself from anything. I can have anything I want. I have the choice. So changing the vocabulary from restriction to optimization, and then understanding that you have the freedom to choose whatever you would like. That right there really helped me, and I hope it helps you too. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Click the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Share it with your friends. And to let you know that we're running 40% off all of our ebooks and courses right now, I'll link in the description down below. Code is RAWFOOD40. Hopefully you guys enjoy, and we'll see you on the next one.